I changed my scooty tires and made sure to make a good use of it. I coated them with 2 layers of white paint, and it took a day for the paint to completely dry. After which, I did some silly freehand designs on the tires, which came out decent, I guess. I took plastic glasses, 4 glasses for each tires. A proper drainage system is one of the important factors to grow a healthy plant. Plus, it was so satisfying to poke with these incense sticks. I prepared a moist soil mix of red soil, coco peat, and compost. And then it was time to pick the plants. I wanted to pick some plants which can grow easily from cuttings, like this jade, which is so healthy and easily grows from cuttings. Purple Queen is also one easy plant to grow. Moses and Cradle is one plant that surprised me. I love the fact that it is green in the front and purple in the back. Also, I have already experimented few months back and it perfectly grows from cuttings. Philodendron is also in my list as it is another easy plant to grow. And last one, pothos. My cuttings are ready now and I picked 5 plants for 8 glasses. I placed few of them in 2 glasses as the cuttings were many. It's time now to place them very carefully on each tires. As I mentioned, 4 for each tires, hence the corner ones will be a little tilted. And the reason why I did not place the plants directly on the tire is because I would face problems in making the drainage holes. If any of the plant grows bigger or causes any problem, I can easily remove it from the tire. I also made sure to put the heavier side of the plant facing forward. In that way, they won't rupture against the wall. You can keep it this way in your garden or in any part of the house, or you can hang or tie them on the wall. I tied them on my outdoor staircase railing and it started blooming as well.